and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will talk about one of the essentials of technical analysis, which is formations. Formations are the price patterns which has happened too many times in the past and has high probability to continue at the direction which it went before. We will not talk about them with the full details in this video. We have another tutorial for you to learn technical analysis. You can reach that tutorial through the link below our video and start learning all about the formations. Do not forget to like the video and follow our channel. Also, you can follow our other social media accounts through the links below. And also, if you don't have a Binance account yet and want to create one, you can click on the registration link which is in the descriptions of our video to register with the lifetime 20% fee discount benefit to Binance. Do not miss out this chance. Now let's talk about how to apply formations to our Binance Futures interface and how we can trade them. Let's give our example from the EGLD USDT pair. When you enter the Binance Futures interface, your graphic setting will be original. You have to set it to the trading view graphic in order to use the technical analysis tools. As you can see, after clicking the trading view icon, your graphic interface will change and the technical analysis tools will be shown at the left side. If you have watched our technical analysis tutorial, probably you will know most of the formations and the other technical analysis stuff. So in this video, I will only show you how to apply them to our graphics. Let's see. At the left side, you can see the first section, which is Trendline Tools. Click on the pointer and you can choose every tool right here. I will use a trend line. After clicking the trend line icon, I will click on the magnet icon because I want to draw my lines carefully. Probably you know the flag formations, which is a continuation pattern. In the EGLD pair, you can see there is a flag formation and this is our resistance line. Let me make it bolder and help you see it. As you can see, after I draw my trend line, you can easily see the flag formation here. And also, you learn how to measure the target of a flag formation. Let's measure it now. After measuring the size of the up wave, I'll just take this from here and put it to the last dip. And as you can see, our target was $188. And guess what? The price went right here. When do we get into the position in flag formations? We get into the position when the breakout happens. So, as you will remember from the risk management video, we will use the trading view, the prediction and measurement tools right here. We will open a long position here, so I will use the long position tool and put it to the price level where I will open my long. What was my target? $188, right? I will put my take profit target to there. And now my stop loss. My stop loss will be below the last dip. Last dip was here and I will put my stop loss here, which is $151. So you can see this trade's RR ratio is 3.86. This is a good trade because the RR ratio is bigger than 2. If I get stopped out, I will only lose the 4.55% of my position, and if I profit, I will earn 18%. So as you can see, our formation has worked well and the price went up to our target. This is the end of this chapter. In the next chapter, we will learn how to apply indicators on our graphic and how to use them. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next one.